We got a bunch of cool stuff. What is that, a rat right
what
there?
the frick?
Come back.
Wait,
Ignore
hold
the
on.
rat. Ignore the rat. We gotta go talk. All right. So far we've got that. We got a bunch of stuff. I'm excited. This is a good episode.
Yeah, wait. He's getting closer. Wait, what the?
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Where are you going?
Oh no! Get him!
Yo, where y'all find Master Splinter at, yo? Yo, I got some cheese, G.
Hey, whoa! Oh, he just slapped my mic. Oh, he's on the escalator. Oh my gosh. Oh. The rat. Oh! We in New York City got rats like that running around.
Found it.
Yeah. Oh! He's coming.
He's very friendly, I promise you. Just, yeah, he likes that.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Why does it smell so bad over here? Did you fart? Because you blew me away. How old are you?
16.
Oh, no, another 16-year-old. What are you saying right now?
I'm another 16-year-old.
That's tough.